Vice President Sara Duterte is pushing back against latest statements from Marcos officials, particularly Palace Press Officer Claire Castro. The VP, like her brother, also challenged Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro to start naming pro-China officials who he thinks should quit. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza has this report.
Is there a standing order from the President to have Senator Bato arrested?
Yes, still, there is.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro said there is no going easy on the manhunt for Senator Bato de la Rosa, nor on the hunt for whoever spread the false news that the ICC wanted lawmaker had already been arrested. Communications Secretary Dave Gomez deputized their so-called anti-fake news desk to investigate and file appropriate charges against those behind the rumor. As for Yuse Castro, she's standing by the belief the narrative of Bato's false arrest is just meant to divert public attention from Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. But according to the VP, the rumor barely made an impact in an already chaotic trial against her.
Napaka-klaro naman yung bending the law dyan sa impeachment na yan, simula pa sa House of Representatives hanggang sa pagkakaroon ng dalawang tao na nakaupo doon sa, ano man tawag dyan, stage or rostrum or elevated platform. Hindi na kailangan guluhin ang impeachment dahil magulo na siya sa bending the law.
Duterte even gave Castro some unsolicited advice: be professional as the president's spokesperson. Earlier, the Palace Press Officer dismissed the Vice President's claim as baseless and nonsense that Marcos is an ICC lapdog.
Ulitin ko ha, si Claire Castro is a spokesperson of the President and the Office of the President, or hindi ko alam kung kaninong spokesperson siya. Pero by the fact na spokesperson ka at merong seal ng Office of the President dyan, dapat maging professional ka sa mga sinasabi mo. Kung ano yung professionalism na hinihingi galing doon sa opisina na yon, yun dapat ang ipakita at ibigay mo sa taong bayan.
Meantime, the VP also challenged Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro to name the officials whom he said are pro-China. Teodoro has called on these figures to resign. Recall that Sara's brother, Davao City Congressman Pulong Duterte, had pushed back on the DND chief's statements and even dared Teodoro to present proof and file appropriate charges against so-called traitors to Philippine sovereignty.
Siguro para klaro sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, dapat pangalanan kung sino yung mga officials na tinutukoy niya na nagde-defend sa China over the West Philippine Sea issue. Hindi mo naman pangalanan yung mga opisyal at syempre suspect kahit ang presidente natin kasali sa suspect doon kasi walang pangalan, walang listahan ng pangalan.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We Are One News.